Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here and I'm super glad to see you back in here. And I have today a messy desk because I'm trying to finish 2 rooms for what is going to be my Lottie's house. So I hope you join me for the whole video because I am trying to put together 2 other rooms and I'm going to be gluing them on top of a cardboard. The good news is that I always have this cardboard from the Dollar Tree or the dollar store just for $1.25. The measurements for the rooms are 30 inches times 30 inches. So that means that you need to cut 4 squares of 30 times 30 inches for each of the rooms. This here is a creative room, a room to read, to play guitar, and to keep the fish tank and some of the pets we have around the house. And the other room is going to be more like a TV room, a room to meet with friends and other dolls. As you can see here, I placed this amazing sign that says Dream Big on the back wall. Now let's place a lot of hot glue so we can go ahead and glue the rooms together. So my idea is like start building room by room, and at the end I can glue them all together and distribute the rooms the way I want it on what is going to be my Lottie doll's house. This is going to be amazing and I have fun making all these amazing projects, and I know that I am going to enjoy them a lot with my kids playing Lottie dolls all day long. So I already glued the first room and now I'm gluing the second one. Now I'm going to my TV room. I'm so excited to place this amazing paper that looks like a wooden floor and is actually not brown. It's kind of blue or tile, which is a color that I like. As you can see here, I have like a blackboard on the wall to the right that is going to be the TV. I looked on a magazine and I found this amazing picture. I guess it's Bali or something like that. So I love it and I am going to glue it on top of the TV. I am going to trim the edges, so I'm making sure that the measurement for the TV screen is the same as the TV board that is already on the wall. So I'm using water glue that is super fun and nice to have all these TV screen on place. And now I'm just dreaming about what is going to happen with the entire room. I have a lot of ideas, so I've been making pillows using felt of different colors, and I have some of them in orange and blue, and also a tiny one in pink, and also a projector. I got this from the Dollar Tree and it's super nice. Now I have this couch that is pink and is amazing and I love it, with tiny pillows I made out of a fabric with a lot of owls. I don't want all my walls to be white, so I decided to cover the wall in the back of the couch with this amazing paper that matches with the color of the floor. So if you're going to do this, try to measure it very well. You can use the same paper and place it on top of the cardboard and mark with a pencil on the back. And then it's going to be easier to cut, and you are going to be sure that your measurements are totally fine. Last step is to glue the paper on top of the wall, and I am using water glue for that, which is very easy, and make sure that you don't have any bubbles. As you can see, that paper is going to give a lot of color and harmony into this room. Now I went again to the Dollar Tree and I found this nice projector, which I am going to be using in this room. And as you can see, if I turn off the lights, is a really cool effect that we can have at night when the Lottie dolls are playing or are having fun in this room of the house. The good thing about the projector is that when you finish, you just can fold the head and just place it in the room. The color is nice and it's going to be like another accent for the room. Then as the final step, I got this amazing ball made out of threads from nature and little twigs, and I love to have it in this room. And also I got this mandala, which is super nice, and the colors are perfectly matching with the rest of the room, so I'm gonna have it here on the shelf. And of course I can't go away without having one plant in this amazing space, so I made it out of paper and toothpicks. And as you can see, this is the final look for one of the rooms. That is the TV room in what's going to be another amazing room in this house. So I'm super excited to be gluing these two rooms together because it's a fun activity. You can do it with your kids. And all the things that I have here, the little cup, the twigs, the mandala, and even the pictures are giving the room a special touch, a different touch. And as you can see, all the pillows are handmade, and the couch is from a Barbie game, and I already have my Lotties enjoying the TV over there and all the pillows around. This is Olivia and Emily, and on the other room we have the fish tank. We have a lot of pillows, and of course this amazing sign that says dream big. I'm super happy to have you here, and I hope you leave me a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I see you on my next video. Bye bye. Bye friends. Bye bye.